another direct floor fitting video. This one's on the Nissan X-Trail and this one's on the 2011 Reg. So I'll have a look underneath and see how it fits. So on this particular one there are 3 brackets, so there's 3 different locations on the chassis and there's 2 different locations on the sill on each side. So with the rear one where we start, you've got a U-bolt that goes into the chassis and then you've got the 2 nuts that go onto there. On the middle one, you've got a clip that goes into that hole that you pull out, and then on the sill, you've got a bung in there that you pull out. On the front one, you've got a bolt in the chassis that you take out and reuse. This one was a bit old, so we've reused it on there. We've got a new one instead of reusing it. And on here, it's a bung in the chassis again. You just put a T-bolt in and drop that down. Again, on the driver's side, you can reuse the hole that's already in the bolt that's already in the chassis, or what we've done, just got a new one if it gets a bit old. It's just better safety-wise. Then there's a T-bolt here that you use. On the middle one, same again. Take out the little clip that goes on there, or you got a little bung like that you can take out that hole there. Again, on the hole by the sill, you just take out the bung in there and the T-bolt comes down. As well on the rear, you've got the U-bolt that goes on there that you take out, you take out the bungs that are already in there, put in the U-bolt. As well, we always recommend if you can get this seal here, so it's sitting behind the sill, just on there, so it stops all the dirt getting down from behind. It's a lot better that way. On this one, there are no shields or anything underneath that you need to redo, so it's literally just find the holes, take out the bung, put them in. There's fitting instructions on our website you can download. You can give us a call, we can advise, or you can come down here to Derby and we can fit it for you. Bye for now from Westall.